Insects are everywhere. They are an integral part of our ecosystem, playing crucial roles in pollination, decomposition, and as a food source for other animals. Their presence in nature is essential for the balance of our environment. They are part of the natural world. Insects contribute to the beauty and diversity of our landscapes, from the buzzing bees in a meadow to the fluttering butterflies in a forest. They help maintain the health of our gardens and crops, but we don't want them in our homes. While insects are beneficial outside, their presence indoors can be problematic. Our homes are meant to be sanctuaries, places where we feel safe and comfortable. Insects can be more than just a nuisance. Some insects can bite. Mosquitoes, for example, are notorious for their itchy bites that can ruin a peaceful evening. Their bites are not just irritating, they can also be dangerous. Bites are painful and itchy. Some insects carry diseases. Mosquitoes can transmit serious illnesses like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. These diseases can have severe health implications, especially for vulnerable populations like children and the elderly. These diseases can make us sick. The health risks associated with insect bites are a significant concern. It's not just mosquitoes. Ticks can spread Lyme disease and fleas can transmit plague. Protecting our homes from these pests is crucial for our well-being. Other insects can damage our homes. Termites, for instance, can cause extensive structural damage by eating through wood. This can compromise the safety and integrity of our homes, leading to costly repairs. They eat our food and clothes. Ants can invade our kitchens, contaminating food supplies, while moths can ruin our favorite clothes by chewing holes in them. These pests can cause significant inconvenience and financial loss. Keeping insects out protects our health and our property. By taking preventive measures, such as sealing food containers and repairing cracks in walls, we can reduce the risk of infestations and maintain a healthier living environment. It gives us peace of mind. Knowing that our homes are free from pests allows us to relax and enjoy our living spaces without worry. A pest-free home is a more pleasant and stress-free place to live. We work hard to make our homes comfortable. Regular cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep our homes inviting and cozy. This effort is part of creating a space where we can unwind and feel at ease. We want to relax and feel safe in our homes. Our homes are our havens, where we spend quality time with family and friends. Ensuring they are free from insects helps us fully enjoy these moments. Insects can disrupt our comfort. Flies buzzing around can be incredibly annoying, and their presence can make it difficult to concentrate or relax. Keeping them out is essential for maintaining a peaceful environment. Seeing insects in our homes can be stressful. The sight of a cockroach scurrying across the floor can cause immediate stress and anxiety. It's a reminder that our space has been invaded, and it can be unsettling. We don't want to share our living spaces with them. Using insect repellents and traps can help manage and prevent infestations. These tools are part of our strategy to keep our homes insect-free. Taking steps to keep insects out helps us maintain a clean and healthy home environment. Regular cleaning, proper food storage, and sealing entry points are all effective ways to prevent insects from entering our homes. By doing so, we create a safer, more comfortable living space for ourselves and our loved ones. Insects are small. They can squeeze through tiny gaps and cracks. We need to find these entry points. Look for cracks in walls and foundations. Check for gaps around windows and doors. Seal these openings to keep insects out. Use caulk to seal cracks in walls. Weather stripping can seal gaps around windows and doors. Repair any holes in screens. Even small openings can allow insects to enter. Regularly inspect your home for potential entry points. Insects are naturally attracted to food. Crumbs and spills are an open invitation for them. Clean up food and spills immediately. Store all food in sealed containers. Don't leave dirty dishes overnight. Wipe down counters and tables regularly. Sweep and vacuum floors often. Take out the trash regularly and keep trash cans sealed. A clean home is much less appealing to insects. Some insects are repelled by strong scents. Use this to your advantage. Plant herbs like mint, lavender and basil around your home. These plants naturally deter insects. Make your own insect repellent spray. Mix water with essential oils like peppermint, eucalyptus or citronella. Spray this mixture around entry points. Use essential oil diffusers indoors to repel insects. You can enjoy pleasant scents and keep insects away. Section 5. Physical barriers. First line of defense against crawling insects. For crawling insects, create physical barriers. Door sweeps under doors prevent insects from crawling under. Window screens keep flying insects out while allowing fresh air in. Install door sweeps on all exterior doors. Check window screens for holes and repair them. These barriers are simple but effective. They can significantly reduce the number of insects entering your home. Section 6. Light management, reducing insect attraction at night. Insects are attracted to light. Reduce outdoor lighting at night. Use yellow bug lights. They are less attractive to insects than white lights. Close curtains and blinds at night. This prevents indoor light from attracting insects. Consider using motion sensor lights outdoors. These lights only turn on when needed, reducing insect attraction. Section 7. Natural predators welcoming beneficial insects to your garden. Not all insects are bad, some insects are beneficial. They prey on other insects that we consider pests. Attract beneficial insects to your garden. Ladybugs, praying mantises and spiders are natural predators. Plant flowers that attract beneficial insects. Provide a water source for them. Avoid using pesticides that can harm beneficial insects. Let nature help control pest populations. Section 8. Chemical warfare. Understanding store-bought solutions. Sometimes natural solutions are not enough. We can use store-bought solutions. Insect traps can catch and kill insects. Insecticides can eliminate existing infestations. Choose products that are safe for your family and pets. Follow the instructions carefully. Store chemicals safely out of reach of children. Chemical solutions can be effective when used responsibly. Section 9. Professional help. When to call in the experts. If you have a severe insect infestation, it's best to call a professional. Insects can cause significant damage to your property and pose health risks to your family. Trying to handle a severe infestation on your own can be overwhelming and ineffective. Pest control professionals have the expertise and tools to handle infestations effectively. They are trained to use specialized equipment and chemicals that are not available to the general public. This ensures that the treatment is thorough and safe for your household. They can identify the type of insect and recommend the best course of action. Different insects require different treatments, and a professional can tailor their approach to the specific problem you're facing. This targeted approach increases the chances of completely eradicating the infestation. Professional pest control services can save you time and effort. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out the best way to deal with the problem, you can rely on experts who know exactly what to do. This allows you to focus on other important tasks and reduces stress. They can provide long-term solutions to keep your home insect-free. Professionals don't just treat the current infestation, they also take steps to prevent future problems. This might include sealing entry points, setting up barriers, and providing advice on how to keep your home less attractive to pests. Don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. It's better to address the problem early with expert assistance than to let it escalate. Professional pest control can give you peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected from harmful insects. Section 10. Peace of mind. Enjoying an insect-free home. There's nothing quite like the comfort of knowing your home is free from pesky insects. Keeping insects out of our homes brings many benefits. A clean and insect-free home is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a safe and healthy environment for everyone. It protects our health by preventing bites and the spread of diseases. Insects like mosquitoes, ticks and flies can carry harmful pathogens that can lead to serious illnesses. By keeping them at bay, we reduce the risk of infections and allergic reactions. It protects our property by preventing damage to our homes and belongings. Termites, ants, and other pests can cause significant structural damage if left unchecked. Regular inspections and preventive measures can save you from costly repairs. It gives us peace of mind and allows us to enjoy our homes comfortably. Knowing that your living space is free from unwanted intruders lets you relax and focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with your loved ones. By following these tips, you can create a clean, healthy, and insect-free environment for yourself and your family. Regular cleaning, proper waste disposal, and using effective pest control products are key steps in maintaining an insect-free home. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is a safe and comfortable haven. A home free from insects is a place where you can truly unwind and feel secure, making every moment spent there more enjoyable and stress-free. Simple actions like sealing windows and doors, using screens, and maintaining your garden can make a big difference. These measures not only keep insects out, but also enhance the overall safety and cleanliness of your home. An insect-free home extends to your outdoor spaces as well. Enjoy outdoor activities without the constant worry of insect bites. Whether it's a family picnic or children playing in the yard, a pest-free environment ensures everyone can have fun without interruptions. Consider using natural insect repellents and eco-friendly pest control methods. These options are not only effective, but also safe for your family and the environment. Embrace a holistic approach to pest control that prioritizes health and sustainability. Ultimately, an insect-free home is a happy home. Celebrate the joy of living in a space where you feel protected and at ease. With a little effort and the right strategies, you can achieve a home that is both beautiful and bug-free.